I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to log in on Facebook. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app on your phone. After you open up your app, now you'll have to enter your phone number or email. After that, enter your password. And when you're done, tap on login. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save Password if you like to save the password to use with apps and websites. If not, tap on Not Now. If you want to save your login info, tap on OK. This way you can easily log in on Facebook. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.